All right, it is 30th of May, the last day of this beautiful sunny month, and I'm exploring a new beach for today. Actually, not completely new, as I have been on this beach last year, but it is my second time on this one in my lifetime, and first time this year. This is Runsätrabadet, located on the outskirts of the Stockholm municipality. Very close to Farsta or Huddinge, but it's a separate neighborhood called Runsätra. And just a few meters away, after the tree, it starts actually the Huddinge municipality. Indeed. And what a wonderful day we have. 30th of May, Thursday. It is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's a beautiful day for a swim. I already did temp check on the lake, Drevviken. It is 20 degrees Celsius, so very warm. It is actually the same lake that I took a swim 2 days ago, I believe. It was right on the other side. It's the same lake. This is the same lake that I actually go for ice skating on this very lake. There is a track of 20 kilometers made around the lake, so that you can see how huge the lake is actually. And here is my Scott bike, gravel bike, that got me here. 8 kilometers from my home, very fast. It's just under 20 minutes, so quite. The roads are quite good in Sweden, in Stockholm, for cycling. You have barely no traffic lights. On the way here there was only one traffic lights or two, and most of the times they are green also as well when you come with the bicycle. So yes, beach the number 48 it is on my Sweden beach adventures. And yeah, now let's enjoy a bit in this beautiful sunny day and take a swim, as tomorrow I will be going to another location in Sweden, another city, and I'm gonna be doing some beach adventures there, but I'm not gonna tell you yet. You need to wait until I come back and post those beach adventures, unless you see some of the shorts that I post while I'm there. But let's see. I'm gonna start the month also in that city as well, so I'm back on late Sunday evening, night to be fair. Cool, look at that, isn't it so beautiful when it's sunny? It's perfect. So the beach has small sandy part that you can see right now. There are some boats also that belong to the nearby houses that I see, but this is not a private beach, it is a public one. So those houses there don't own this beach front, because there are lots of regulations in Sweden that you can't. It is almost impossible to own a piece of land on the coast of lakes and sea. There are some exceptions due to historical reasons, but currently it is basically, there is a law that protects the beaches, which is awesome, because the beaches should be for everyone to enjoy. Indeed, that's my stance on that. So yes, other than that, there is some nature around, and there is even a sauna that is medlem member based. I see there is a lock on it, but who needs a sauna on a weather like this? Maybe for the colder months. It makes sense. And here we have a small jetty with some ducks that have occupied and have put their stuff, their excess on the jetty. So yeah. All right, so let's go down from here, but I think I can stand also from this spot. And this is how the beach looks like from the jetty view as well. Yes, Runsätrabadet. Let's then enjoy in this beautiful warm day. Yes, I'm standing already here. So yes, then it's time to take a swim. Let's go! It is so nice and beautiful. And I notice now there is also a jetty next to the sauna, so I mean jetty, steps to get into the water, which is obvious because what most people usually do, they first get into sauna, they get warmed up and take a swim, or vice versa, or a limited number of times back and forth. So yeah, there is also a small island over there that's inhabited, and I can see also Hundal in the distance, and Orchem as well over there, indeed. Yes, so it's perfect temperature if you're wondering if you should go out to take a swim. If you're in Stockholm, do it, because the water is now warm, almost, you know, the lakes and even the sea. I have been there recently, it is almost 20 degrees there as well. So if you're visiting Stockholm or you live in Stockholm, you should definitely go out for beach adventure, as there are endless amount of beaches in Stockholm region. You can find your own inner peace whenever you find any type of coast. Cool, that's a wrap from Runsätrabadet on this 30th of May. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!